What's up, Auto Viralz family? Buckle up, because today we've got something truly insane for you. GMC has officially taken the legendary Yukon and transformed it into a jaw-dropping $400,000 luxury van. Yes, you heard that right, $400,000. And let me tell you, this isn't just an SUV upgrade, it's a rolling palace on wheels, designed for those who demand nothing but the absolute best. You're going to want to see every inch of this, because the inside is straight up mind-blowing. From the outside, this Yukon already looks like $1 million. GMC has given it a sleek, custom finish, with lines and curves that make heads turn the moment you drive past. But trust me, the exterior is just the appetizer, wait until you see what's inside. Step through the door, and you are instantly transported into luxury like you've never imagined. Plush, buttery soft leather seats, ambient lighting that sets the perfect vibe, and every detail meticulously crafted to perfection. This is not just comfort, it's a full-on sensory experience. And here's the best part, Auto Viralz fam, this isn't just about looks. GMC has loaded this van with cutting-edge technology that makes it feel more like a private jet than a car. Multiple touchscreens, an advanced infotainment system, and a sound system so crisp and immersive, it's like having a live concert inside your van. Whether you're streaming your favorite movies, playing music, or gaming on the go, this Yukon has got you covered. But we're just getting started. Let's talk custom features that set this luxury van apart. Imagine a refrigerated compartment for your drinks, adjustable mood lighting, and even a mini gourmet kitchen. That's right, snacks, meals, and drinks at your fingertips, all while cruising down the highway in unmatched style. And the seating, fully adjustable, reclining, with memory settings that let you find your perfect comfort spot every single time. Safety hasn't been compromised either. GMC has packed this van with top-of-the-line safety features, including advanced driver assistance systems, reinforced build quality, and smooth suspension that makes the ride feel like gliding on clouds. You're not just riding in luxury, you're riding safe and sound. Now, let's talk about the attention this van commands. Roll this beauty down any street, and people stop, stare, and take photos. This isn't just a vehicle, it's a statement. Owning a GMC Yukon luxury van tells the world you value excellence, innovation, and style. And Auto Viralz is bringing you every jaw-dropping detail, from the high-end interior finishes to the clever layout that maximizes space without sacrificing style. Imagine this: sliding into ultra-luxury seats, turning on ambient lighting that sets the perfect mood, streaming your favorite music on a cinematic quality sound system, and knowing that every single detail, every stitch, every panel, was designed with you in mind. Whether you're on a cross-country road trip or just cruising your city streets, this van doesn't just take you places, it elevates the entire experience. And the innovation is next level. GMC didn't just make a luxury SUV, they redefined what an SUV can become. The Yukon's legendary power and reliability remain, but now paired with a level of luxury that rivals some of the most expensive homes on the planet. Every panel, every button, every compartment has a purpose, and it's all about enhancing the ride. So, Auto Viralz fam, get ready because we are going full tour mode inside this $400,000 GMC Yukon luxury van. We're talking about the cockpit, the lounge area, the entertainment systems, and yes, even the mini kitchen. Every feature has been designed to give you maximum comfort, style, and wow factor. By the end of this video, you'll see why this is not just a van, it's a lifestyle. GMC has pushed the limits of design, engineering, and luxury, creating a vehicle that truly turns heads, drops jaws, and sets a new standard for mobile opulence. Whether you're a car enthusiast, a tech lover, or just someone who appreciates the finer things in life, this video is for you. So stay tuned, hit that like button, subscribe to Auto Viralz, and don't blink, because every second inside this van is a moment you do not want to miss. Let's dive in and explore the $400,000 GMC Yukon luxury van, a ride so luxurious, so jaw-dropping, it redefines everything you thought you knew about SUVs. Trust me, by the end of this video, you'll be asking yourself one question: how did GMC even make this possible? Let's go, Auto Viralz, and take a deep dive inside the most insane luxury van you've ever seen.